Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix an iPhone that won't turn on or charge. I have the iPhone 12 Pro with me today, but this method works perfectly on any iPhone model. As you can see right now, pressing the power button does nothing, and the screen is completely black and unresponsive. Even when plugged in, there's no charging indicator. It appears completely unresponsive. If you're dealing with this exact situation, don't worry. Here's how we can fix it super quick. First, plug your iPhone into a charger. Even if the screen remains completely black, leave it plugged in and resting on a table for at least 30 minutes. Once those 30 minutes are up, go ahead and unplug the charger. Now, press and hold down both the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 seconds. If your iPhone still isn't turning on, let's try a force restart. Here is the exact sequence you'll need to follow. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button as well. Press and hold the power button until the screen lights up and you should see the Apple logo. Once that Apple logo appears, release the power button and your iPhone is now back to life. As you can see, the phone is working perfectly again. So why did this happen in the first place? This type of software crash can happen to any iPhone. Frequently, it occurs if you are using third-party chargers or accessories that aren't officially certified by Apple, which can occasionally overwhelm and crash the system. The button combinations we just walked through are the most effective way to reboot the software and get your device running again. If these steps still didn't work for you, double-check your charging equipment. Make sure you are using an original Apple charger or a cable and brick from a reputable manufacturer like Anker or Insignia. You want to absolutely avoid cheap, uncertified chargers, as those can actually damage and permanently break your iPhone's battery over time. I hope this troubleshooting tutorial helped bring your iPhone back to life. Let me know down in the comments if this worked for you. If it didn't quite do the trick, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep an eye out for part 2 where we'll cover a few more fixes. See you later!